It's Helen Godden here, and welcome back to our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. It's December 11 and we're about to work on this little petal right here. I have seen that some of you are deciding to paint your quilt-a-long, which is a wonderful idea. So I thought I'd show you some of these terrific colours I have in the Lumiere range and in the Opulence range. We carry the red, the gold and the jade, and that would really be beautiful to create this poinsettia design. I also have some new colours in the range that you might not have seen as yet. This beautiful pansy colour, which is a gorgeous pink, citrus punch and cocoa. So these are the Opulence fabric paints that I have on my website. Check them out sometime. You might enjoy painting with me one day. So this little skinny one here for December 11, I'm going to again put a centre line, and this time I'm going to put some divisions across, fairly evenly spaced like that, as we're going to do our flying geese. So you can see how much easier it makes it by having that line drawn on there with the friction pen and those divisions. It takes the guessing out of it, but I went back and added that extra line of stitching because I thought it looked a little bit too open. But I do enjoy how they look like they're moving and flowing with that shape of that petal. So when that's ironed away, it'll be rather lovely. There we go, that's December 11. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.